Get my fingers under there. Kristen, lean up. You gotta lean up. Thank you. Okay, lean back down. Oh, lean, Jesus. Ow. Ow. I'm missing a finger.
You snorted. Your ass is hanging out.
Oh, sorry. No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
I have a hair in my eye.
Your voice was really squeaky.
I got it. Do you see it? I dropped it on you. It's so fluffy.
Do that thing earlier when you said you were sleeping
With my boobs?
and you went.
Oh. I'm sleeping. Sorry. It's really in my. That? I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. Nah. You just spit all over my face. Whoa, man. Wonder if I could lift myself up like that.